Hey people, so it's like the series called 100 on Hotstar, Disney Hotstar, stars Rinku Rajguru and Lara Datta, and my god, what a show, yeah! I mean, it's like, uh, see, I'll be honest, the plot line is both unique and it needs to you need to stretch your imagination to be able to believe in that, but the kind of performances the actors have given us, yeah, I mean it's the I mean, Lara Datta is like the also the it's called the Sutradhar, like the narrator, and hers is that she's got that certain comic element, like just on the basis of how she frames a certain sentence, you just want to smile because some people it's a gift, to have that comic element, and Rinku Rajguru, the actress, she brings a certain you really feel for her character, like she's there's a certain, I don't know, honesty in her performance. So people, you all should check it out. It's called 100 and it's on Disney Hotstar, and I think it's the hottest show to come in a long time this summer, during this lockdown. 100 is one series you need to watch. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.